reseal all this stuff. As you can see, like for example, where they didn't fill the old cut when they removed the old flashing. It was all just open, and so ice dams were causing massive leakage all along here. So I had to fill it. And we use this product here. I did it all the way up and checked around up around top, everything looks fine.
So what happens is, ice builds up on the roof and damages these lower corners of these dormers. But that's just a cosmetic issue. The problem lies underneath the siding.
Here's what you have behind the siding. The problem is here, and not because the foam doesn't meet it.
The original installers did apply ice and water shield up the wall, but they didn't continue it behind the existing wood corners. It stops about ½ an inch shy, leaving a gap for water infiltration. Water builds up here with an ice dam, runs in here behind the copper step flashing, and goes inside the building.
So now we have installed a 6-inch wide piece of Vicor vertically, and it's cut at the bottom. It overlaps the top of the step flashing, so any water that gets on here will shed down on top of this slate. And we have added a sealant caulking here to prevent any water penetration. When the ice dam builds up and you get a little pool of water, a little lake of water here, it prevents penetration into the corners. So everything should shed now. I mean, obviously it wouldn't prevent, if there was an ice dam down here and water was built up here, it would still be up inside this corner and still penetrate. But that is not involved in the compass of our solution at the moment. Then the other thing we do is really nail the hell out of this vertical J channel here, because the ice in the winter comes roaring down and just tears this bottom away, and then the siding starts falling out. It ends up looking like, they all look like that over there when I start.